closer to you, constantly worthy, hanging to words you say, driven by you, eyes caught by desire, fonder of who we are. You walked into my life, a fresh silver lining. You took hold of what I am to set free. In your eyes I see the future I long for, watching and waiting, anticipating. Through strength I found a love that exalts me, right in the making, straight into lines to make it all so true. I just feel it for you. It's amazing what love can do. I broke through in your eyes. Stolen by you, a breathtaking journey. I lose myself into you. Promise me this, I'm your one and only, captured by who you are. You walked into my life, a fresh silver lining. You took hold of what I am to set free. In your eyes I see the future I long for, watching